Good afternoon. I, Professor Anil Kumar from Computer Science and Engineering Department, take this opportunity to welcome each one of you to the valedictory function of 6 days AICT ISTE refresher program on blockchain and IoT. This is an immensely exciting evening for all of us. 6 days, 18 resourceful sessions, addresses from 21 renowned resource persons from industry, research lab, and academia, surprise attendances, daily test, everything will end today. Thanks to 99 participants from 30 different colleges and universities across India and abroad, showing faith in us and registered for this program. Let me first acknowledge the presence of some of our eminent guests. It is indeed our pleasure to have among us, sir, the chief guest of validatory function, Dr. Pratap Singh Kakoso Desai, President IST New Delhi, Dr. Suresh DS, Chairman IST Karnataka, Director and Principal CIT Gubbi, the President of the function, Sri GB Jyoti Ganesh, MLA, Tumkur City Constituency, Secretary, Managing Director, CIT Group of Institutions, Dr. Sridhar K. Rao, Chief Advisor, R&D, CIT Gubbi, and Dr. Shantala CP, Organizing Chairman of this event, Chairman IEI Tumkur Local Chapter, Vice Principal and HOD Department of CSE, CIT Gubbi. Prayer is an invocation of the heart, a calling forth of divine energies to be manifested in one's life. Time spent in prayer refreshes, renews, and strengthens. Now I call upon Professor Harish TA from CSE Department to lead us into the prayer.
Thank
Harish,
you, Anil sir. Thank you, Anil sir. ಜಯ ಗಣೇಶ ಜಯ ಗಣೇಶ ಜಯ ಗಣೇಶ ರಕ್ಷಿಸು ಜಯದ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ನಡೆಸು ಜಯ ಗಣೇಶ ಜಯ ಗಣೇಶ ಜಯ ಗಣೇಶ ರಕ್ಷಿಸು ಜಯದ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ನಡೆಸು ಅಂಧಕಾರವನ್ನು ಸೂರ್ಯ ನಾಶ ಮಾಡುವಂತೆ ನೀ ವಿಘ್ನಗಳನ್ನು ನಾಶ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀಗು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಂತೆಯ ಅಂಧಕಾರವನ್ನು ಸೂರ್ಯ ನಾಶ ಮಾಡುವಂತೆ ನೀ ವಿಘ್ನಗಳನ್ನು ನಾಶ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀಗು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಂತೆಯ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ನುಂಗಿ ಬೇಗ ಸುಖದ ದಾರಿ ತೋರಿಸು ಆ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ನುಂಗಿ ಬೇಗ ಸುಖದ ದಾರಿ ತೋರಿಸು ನೋವ ನೀಗಿ ಬಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯನ್ನು ಕರುಣಿಸು ಜಯ ಗಣೇಶ ಜಯ ಗಣೇಶ ಜಯ ಗಣೇಶ ರಕ್ಷಿಸು ಜಯದ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ನೀ ನಡೆಸು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ.
Thanks, Harish sir. Friends, there is a saying, when you are around enormously successful people, you realize that their success is not an accident. It's about hard work. It's my immense pleasure to welcome today's dignitaries. On behalf of organizing team and CIT, I consider its privilege to welcome the chief guest of today's valedictory function, Dr. Pratap Singh Kakaso Desai, President ISTE New Delhi. In a last minute meeting with the few guests, so he's unable to join us. So he promised us within the time span he's going to join us. So we will welcome you, sir. We also have Dr. Suresh DS, Chairman IST Karnataka, Director and Principal CIT Gubbi, who is a source of inspiration for all of us. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Anil.
We have Sri GB Jyoti Ganesh, MLA Tumkur City Constituency, Secretary and Managing Director, CIT Group of Institutions. So he is today's event functions president. I extended a warm welcome. So as we know, we constantly meetings are going on a COVID related issues. So he sent his wishes to us. We also have among us Dr. Shantala CP, Organizing Chairman. A hearty welcome to you, ma'am. We are
Thank you, Anil.
delighted to have you with us. We also like to welcome Dr. Sridhar K. Rao, Chief Advisor, R&D, CIT Gubbi. Welcome you, sir.
Hey, thank you. Thank you.
Finally, I welcome all the participants to the valedictory function. So now I request beloved Dr. Suresh Sir, Chairman IST Karnataka section, to address the gathering.
Thank you, Anil. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate the team of computer science for successfully completing AICT IST refresher program on blockchain and IoT. We started on 30th with a keynote speaker with a keynote delivery from Shiv Kumar of Extran Solutions and inaugurated by our Vijay D. Vaidya, the Executive Secretary, National Executive Secretary IST in New Delhi. And today, in fact, Professor Pratap Singh Desai was supposed to be here, but at the last minute program, I think he may join by 3:30 or so. And anyway, he has conveyed our best wishes and regards to all the experts who have delivered their talks and all the participants for your successful and active participation from past 6 days. And I think, as you know, like the Pratap Singh Desai happens to be the current president of Indian Society of Technical Education at India. He's a national president of IST, and after Pratap Singh Desai took over as the president of IST New Delhi, we have started with the IST sponsored refresher programs. These sponsored refresher programs were started from many years. I think thanks to Mr. Desai ji and team, they have initiated various innovative programs, and it has been supporting all the faculty members as well as also supporting financially to the student chapters of IST Karnataka, as well as for all the IST chapters across the country. So, and Professor Pratap Singh Desai, basically a professor from Kolhapur, and from past almost this is the second term he's continuing as a president. And my sincere thanks to Pratap Singh Desai for having considered to be chief guest for this valedictory function on blockchain and IoT, a 6 days AICT IST refresher program, which was conducted online. I would also like to thank our chairman, Sri G.S. Basuraj, the Honorable Member of Parliament from Tumkur and the Chairman of CIT Group of Institutions, and Secretary Sri G.B. Jyotish, and MLA from Tumkur City Constituency for their constant encouragements and support in successful completion of this program on blockchain and IoT. My appreciation to Organizing Chairman and Organizing Secretary, Dr. C.P. Shantala and Mr. Professor Anil Kumar ji for having initiated this program and successfully completing the program today. And my special thanks to Dr. Sridhar Rao, who initiated the topic, and he has guided our entire team for completing this program. And all the industry speakers who have really helped us out in coordinating with them, delivering the content. And in fact, when we started, we wanted more and more industry person to conduct the program and to have more and more hands-on experience for the participants. I hope this blockchain and IoT 6 days AICT IST refresher program has contributed in a better way from our Department of Computer Science. A meaningful takeaway will be there from this particular workshop. And friends, from IST Karnataka section, as you know, like many programs have been conducted from 2020. More than 150 plus programs have been initiated from Karnataka section, and many more programs will be. We are planning to start many more programs from next month onwards, both for the benefit of the faculty members of engineering colleges as well as polytechnic colleges and the student. And this time, the faculty convention will be conducted in association with many industries, and industries will join hands with IST Karnataka to host the faculty convention and student convention, where totally whatever the conventions that it has happened, this particular 2022 convention will give a new outlook for an industry academia collaboration. And I request all the participants, in case if you are not a member of IST, as IST Chairman of Karnataka, I request all of you to be a member of IST, and so that we can leverage the benefits that will be extended from IST. And coming to participants, my sincere thanks and appreciation to all the participants who have participated from past 6 days. And I can see some messages is popping up. They are very keen on giving their attendance. I think it's very, because see, this is what AICT IST has insisted to send the attendance after the program to AICT to issue the certificates from our end. And friends, it's not about the participation, it's about the learning. I think during my welcome address, also during the inaugural program, I mentioned it should be more and more like a participative learning rather than in one side. I think the question and answers, the test, the quiz has been conducted, and many of you have really participated. And last, my sincere request for all the participants is, once you go back, please kindly ensure that whatever the knowledge that you have gained, go and deliver back to your student friends or your other colleagues in your institutions. So that is how we can have, that's how we can transfer the knowledge. And the knowledge transfer programs is essential in the present knowledge era, and more. And basically, we live in a knowledge economy where the knowledge drives the economy. Friends, wish you all the best, and thanks for your patience, participation from past 6 days. I wish CAT has really contributed in a better way to imbibe the technology changes, the transformative changes that is happening in blockchain and IoT. Hopefully, you might have gained some experience out of this, and you might have connected to a good number of speakers. I think that is what we need in this present era. The connecting the thoughts and connecting to the people are two important things. Hopefully, you are connected to thoughts as well as you are connected to the people, by especially the industry speakers. And please kindly be in touch with our CAT team as well as the industry experts for the benefit of you, for your technological growth and your institution growth. Wish you all the best. And once again, thanks to CAT CSC team for having inviting me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Sridhar K.N. Rao, sir, to address the gathering.
Okay, thanks, Anil. Yeah, that was a really excellent talk by Suresh. So thanks a lot. Very, very, very nicely articulated, very nicely put, and you have highlighted all the important points. And I just want to add one thing to what Suresh rightly mentioned. What next, right? First, very important point he mentioned is about maintaining the contacts with the resource people who had shared their knowledge with you over past week or so. That is very, very important. See, there is a reason why you're attending this workshop, right? You are interested in it and you want to do something with this in this domain. You take even a small baby step in this domain, right? So to do that, it helps a lot if you can connect with the people who have shared their knowledge. And believe me, majority, I mean 90% of the time, they'll be more than happy to take that engagement forward. So it is very, very important, especially in academic circles, to maintain this network. And a very good point Suresh mentioned, so thanks a lot. And please don't underestimate this point. It might sound, oh, it's obvious kind of thing, but it's not really obvious. You have to come up with a plan. What is my next thing I want to do? And ensure that you can execute the plan with the help of these experts who have shared this knowledge. So this is one point I just wanted to add. So please ensure that you have a good what next. Okay, so that's very, very important. And Suresh has already thanked all the people, and I would like to reiterate the thanks to Anil, who has been like a driving force for this whole thing. And I remember when we were talking to all the experts in this thing, for example, for some of the people who are in US, it didn't take much time to convince for some of the people. They were interested, they were keen, and Anil quickly kind of reconnected with them, shared how to join those things on all those things. It was a well-planned and a well-organized thing. So thanks a lot, Anil. Really good job. So thanks everybody for attending this workshop, and I sincerely hope you could gain some knowledge out of this last few days with spending this time. And CAT has taken this initiative and done this job, and we will continue to do this again. And we hope to see you guys again in one of the future workshops. Thank you very much.
Thanks for your appreciative words, sir. So now, I hope this refresher program has added a few memories to your life. So we would like to know how well have our efforts resonated to you. I request anyone among the participants to give your valuable feedback on the event. Anyone?
Yeah, hello, sir. Can I, sir?
Oh, okay, sir. Carry on.
Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. You are audible.
Thank you, sir. Myself, MG Gurubaswanna, currently working as an assistant professor at the Department of Electronics and Communication at Masle Vassali. And I am proud to say that I am ex-faculty of CIT Gubbay, who has worked as an assistant professor in the Department of ENC from 2003 to 2011. I am taking this opportunity to express my wholehearted thanks to the entire organizing team of this workshop on blockchain and IoT, held from 30/12/2021 to 5/1/22 for about 6 days of about 18 sessions. Very great, sir, which has covered a deep insight information about the various subjects like IoT, basics, gateway, techniques, security on IoT devices, concepts on cryptography headed by Dr. Pradeep CR, sir, and deep insight about new education policy given by our Dr. Suresh Kumar DS, sir, edge computing technology, blockchain technology, its application, future scope, defined network, various, and also some, even though it is not practical, virtual learning we have learned with respect to some software, how it can be utilized by so many research students in blockchain technology. So in this regard, definitely have learned so many information by attending this workshop. So I'm very much thankful for the entire CIT organization and team for giving me an opportunity to take part in this workshop and making me to learn and also to express my opinion to my students who are interested in doing several projects on computing technology like IoT and so on. Definitely, I will share these informations to my students, sir. And I wholeheartedly thank the entire team once again for giving me this opportunity to take part. Thank you, and I wish you all a happy and a prosperous new year, sir.
Thank you, Guru Baswana, sir. I know you are a sincere student of this workshop, and
thank you, sir.
You attended all the sessions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you once again.
Anyone else?
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Mahesh. I am working as assistant professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, CIT Gubbay. So first of all, I would like to express my deep thanks to all the patrons and organizing team of this workshop, blockchain and IoT, which was need of the hour in this automotive era, sir. So all the sessions were very much interesting and were educative. So especially practical oriented sessions were very much informative, sir. So I think especially research scholars would have got valuable inputs from this blockchain and IoT 6-day marathon sessions. So thank you all.
Thank you, Mahesh, sir. So let's move on to the last part of this valedictory function. Ralph Emerson believed that the reward of thing well done is having done it. However, we would be falling short of our duty if we do not recognize a thing well done and encourage it. Now I take the opportunity to render the acknowledgement to the people who make this workshop possible. My first thanks goes to AICT ISTE. Today we are connected together in a refresher program because of their forethought and sponsoring the program. So thank you very much for those two bodies. Then I thank to CIT management, Basavaraj sir as well as Jyoti Ganesh sir, for their constant support for all the activities we do. I extend a very hearty thanks to our chief guest, Dr. Pratap Singh sir, who spared time for his busy schedule. So we are very sorry for his absence to grace the occasion. I extend my sincere thanks to our beloved director, Dr. T.S. Suresh sir. He motivated us to write this proposal. In fact, he helped us in framing the core set of objectives of this workshop. He uses to say, be there in the position of the participants and think about expectations from the workshop. Then you will realize what objectives towards you have to work. Thanks for your constant support with all the leads that you are given when we are finalizing the experts. Thanks a lot, sir. Sincere thanks to Dr. Sridhar K.N. Rao sir, Shantala madam, and Dr. Pradeep CR for all the leads they are given, the eminent experts they are suggested to, and guiding us in organizing this workshop. Last but not the least, all the subject experts who spare their times with us in their busy schedule, and also the participants who are heart and soul of this program. I would like to thank all the supporting staff for making the time and helping us, which make this event a grand success. Thank you, one and all. So with this, we are concluding this valedictory ceremony. The test link will be posted in the chat window. You can start answering the questions. And whoever the participants won the, qualified for the certificate will be informed through the mail. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Anil sir.